Lab 3B DC circuits. Today's lab, we're going to have this LED blinking. The faster, the more light our photoresistor is getting. Let me go ahead and plug in power supply. It's going to stay on for a little bit and then it will kick in. It's going to start blinking. And so if I cover my hand over the photoresistor, it blinks a bit slower. And if I let go, it blinks much faster. So let me unplug the power supply and try and explain what's going on in the circuit. So here we have pin 1 and it is connected to ground. To complete the circuit, we have pin 2, which is our trigger, connected between our resistor. I'll call this resistor 2. And we have pin 3. Pin 3 is our output. It's connected to this LED through this resistor. Pin 4 is our reset, which is connected to voltage. This is just to disable the reset function. And then on the other side, we have pin 5 at the bottom end, bottom right, which is connected to ground through this capacitor. Capacitor 2, this is capacitor 1. We have pin 6. Pin 6 is our threshold. It is connected between this resistor R2, which is also connected to pin 2, and it is connected to our photoresistor. In pin 7, we have it connected to our resistor R1, and the other leg of the photoresistor is also connected to pin 7. Pin 8 is simply connected to power supply. Pin 8 is the very top right. And so what is happening, I'll explain the photoresistor. The photoresistor is connected between pins 6 and 7, those two pins in the middle, and it is influencing the timing interval based on light intensity, affecting the blink rate. Our resistors R1, this is R1, is connected to power supply and pin 7. It is working with this photoresistor in the same port, pin 7, working with the photoresistor to set a discharge time, to set a charge time of our capacitor C1. R2, this is R2, this is connected between pins 6 and 2. This resistor is connected between those two pins, and it is setting the discharge time of our capacitor C1. Now, as for our capacitors, C1 connected to pin 2 and ground is determining the timing intervals along with our resistors R1 and R2 and the photoresistor. So this is mainly storing up the power and then releasing it, basing on those resistors here and how they work together. C2 is going to be our control voltage. It is connected to ground from pin 5, and this is basically just stabilizing the voltage of the 555 timer. And so that's basically what all the components in this circuits are doing. I sincerely apologize for the long video. I hope you do understand a little more about the i55 timer. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.